Most people fail UPSC not because it's tough, but because they don't understand the syllabus properly. If you don't know what to study, how will you crack it? So in this video, I will explain the entire UPSC syllabus in a very simple way so that you get complete clarity. Hi everyone, welcome to UPSC Kitty Prep. Let's start from the basics. First stage is prelims. This is just a screening test. It won't decide your final rank, but you must clear it, go to the next stage. Prelims has two papers. Paper 1 is general studies. Here you study subjects like history, geography, polity, economy, environment, science and current affairs. Very simple to understand. History tells you about the past. Geography explains the world. Polity shows how India is governed. Economy explains how money works. Environment is about nature. And science is about new developments. Current affairs connects everything together. Then comes to paper 2, CSAT. This includes comprehension, reasoning, and basic math. You just need 33% to qualify, but don't ignore it. Many students fail here. Once you clear prelims, now comes the real challenge, mains. In mains, your writing skills, understanding, and thinking ability are tested. Now let's clearly understand the most important part, general studies papers. GS1, first is GS1. This paper is about history, society, and geography. Basically, it helps you understand where we came from and how society works today. Once you understand the past and society, the next step is to understand how the country is actually run. That's where GS2 comes in. GS2 is all about polity and governance. Here you will learn about the constitution, government, policies, and even India's relationship with other countries. Now, once you understand how the country is run, the next question is, how does the country develop? That's exactly what GS3 is about. GS3 focuses on economy, agriculture, technology, environment, and security. In simple words, it deals with the real world problems and development of the country. But UPS is not just about knowledge, it also tests what kind of person you are. And that's where GS4 comes in, ethics. This paper is about your values, your attitude, and your decision making ability. You'll get to real life situations and you have to explain what you will do. So, if GS1 is about the past, GS2 is about governance, GS3 is about development, then GS4 is about you. Along with these papers, you also have an optional subject. You can choose any subject like history, geography, sociology. This is very important because it can boost your rank significantly. Finally comes the interview. There is no fixed syllabus. They test your personality, confidence, and clarity of thought. So now the big question, how do you start? Keep it simple. Start with NCERT books, follow current affairs daily, practice answer writing and revise again and again. It's very important. If you understand the syllabus in this way, UPSC becomes much more manageable. From next videos, I will explain each subject in detail.